In this video, I am going to show you how you can completely remove Ollama. So let's see how we can do this thing. Before removing Ollama, at first we just need to check whether it is running or not. If it is running, then we need to close it. So I see it is running. So what I am going to do, I am going to right click and then I am using this option, Quiet Ollama. I am going to click here and it will be closed. Now click on the start menu and then start typing uninstall. And you will see add or remove programs are there. Just click over there and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now from here we have to search the Ollama. So you can start typing here and you see Ollama is there. What you need to do, we just need to click here, this three dot, and it will bring this option. We have to choose this option, uninstall. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will start uninstallation. But before doing this thing, it is giving us a warning. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. It is asking to confirm. So I'm going to click this button, uninstall. And very shortly, it is giving us this option again, whether I am sure to delete or uninstall this thing. I'm going to choose yes. And very shortly, it will bring this window. Ollama uninstall, remove model, this is this thing. I'm going to choose this model because I don't need these models anymore. And it is saving in the location Ollama models. So I'm going to click here, uninstall, and very shortly it will start uninstallation. It will take some time. We have to wait till it finished uninstallation. Once the uninstallation is successful, then you will get this type of message. Ollama was successfully removed from your computer. We have to press OK to close this thing. And that's it. In this way, we can easily remove Ollama from our Windows computer.